What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Neuro Profit AI. If you're in Canada and feeling the pinch of rising costs, you've landed in the right place. Today we're doing something absolutely insane. We're going to prove that you can build real income streams right here in Canada without spending a single cent. We're about to change your financial future with $0 down. I'm revealing 7 powerful hustles you can start today in Canada completely for free. These aren't flimsy schemes, they are legitimate business models for the digital age. You, your laptop, and a dream. That's all you need to get started. I've done the extensive research, tested these methods, and built a simple step-by-step plan for each one. I've cut through the noise so you can get straight to earning, so pay close attention. While every hustle on this list is a winner, number 1 is a complete game changer that you absolutely cannot miss. Trust me, if you're serious about life-changing money tips, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. Are you ready? Because your life is about to change. Let's stop talking and start earning. Let's get into it, starting with number 7. Number 7, freelance writing. Don't be intimidated. If you can write a clear email, you have the core skill needed to start. It's all about effective communication. Every business needs written content, blog posts for traffic, website copy that sells, and social media captions to engage. The demand is truly endless. Getting started is free on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. For your portfolio, a good school essay works. It proves you can structure your thoughts clearly. Aim for your first jobs in the $50 to $100 range. For a short article, that's a great starting rate, turning spare time directly into cash. To accelerate, pick a niche you enjoy, like fitness or tech. You'll write faster with less research, and your natural passion will shine through. Deliver good work and get 5-star reviews. Those reviews build trust and attract higher-paying clients. It's a snowball effect that builds your income. The best part? The barrier to entry is 0. No expensive software, no startup costs. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. So here's your action plan. Create a profile and apply to 5 jobs today. Don't overthink it, just take action. Your first client is waiting. Prove you're reliable and deliver on your promises and you're in. You're not just a freelancer, you're a business owner. Number 6. Become a virtual assistant, the remote right hand. Small businesses, founders, creators, they'll pay to buy back time. Email, scheduling, social posts, research, even travel. You probably do these already. Tools, Gmail, Google Calendar, your browser, cost 0. Specialize, be the email expert or scheduling guru and stand out. Post in Facebook groups, DM on LinkedIn, and bid on Upwork or Fiverr. If they make $250 while paying you $25, you are priceless. Start with 1 client, get referrals, then scale to a bedroom agency. Number 5, print on demand. Design once, get paid repeatedly. Tees, mugs, phone cases, sold online to hundreds. No inventory, no shipping. The platform does it. Use free Canva. Make a funny slogan, bold graphic, or simple text. Upload to Printful or Teespring. Generate mockups. Create listings. You only pay after the customer pays. 0 upfront risk. Promote free on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and Facebook groups. Pick a niche you know. Create designs people are proud to wear. Upload dozens. If one goes viral, your phone lights up while you sleep. Number 4, social media management for local businesses. They know they need it, but they have no time and no plan. Walk in or email. I can grow your Instagram for a flat monthly fee. Offer 3-5 posts a week, reply to comments, engage with locals, show more followers, higher engagement, more foot traffic, use your phone and free apps. Cost 0. 3 clients at $500 each is $1,500 a month for a few hours weekly. Find a sad-looking feed today, offer help, and start your first retainer. Number 3, online tutoring. Your knowledge is an asset. Math, science, English, teach what you know and explain well. Sign up on TutorMe or Cambly, or post locally on Kijiji and Facebook. You need a laptop, webcam, Wi-Fi, and a clear bio, that's it. Charge $20, $50 an hour. Log in between classes or after work. It's profitable and rewarding. You're changing lives. List 3 subjects, create a free profile, and book your first session this week. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Recommend and earn. Pick products you already use. Games, protein, software, books. Join free programs like Amazon Associates, grab your unique link, post a helpful review on TikTok, IG, a blog, or Pinterest. Add your link. It compounds. 1 viral video or blog can pay for months. List 5 daily products, Google their affiliate programs, get approved. Publish 1 sincere review today. No spam, serve first, then earn. Kicking off our list, the number 1 side hustle for Canada in 2025 is dropshipping. Why? It removes the biggest barrier: inventory. You're the digital storefront. A customer buys, you forward the order to a supplier who ships directly to them. You simply keep the margin. To start, use Shopify's free trial. Then find Canada-friendly suppliers on platforms like Spocket for fast shipping. Key for happy customers. The cash flow is perfect for a $0 start. You only buy the product after a customer pays you. Their money funds the entire transaction, eliminating your financial risk. Now, for customers, skip expensive ads. Your secret weapon is TikTok Organic. Find a product with a wow factor or one that solves a clear, relatable problem. Post dozens of short, simple clips showing it in action. You're making authentic TikToks, not polished ads. Think lo-fi, high impact. All it takes is one video to catch the algorithm. It amplifies winners, flooding your bio link with free traffic. Sales can hit without spending $1 on marketing. One winning product can scale to $10K, $50K, or even $100K in a month. It takes consistent work, but with a startup cost of $0, you're only investing time. Start now. $70 hustles you can start today in Canada. Your blueprint is ready. No more excuses. Pick one and take action the second this ends. Comment your pick below. Let's build a community of action takers. If this helped, obliterate that subscribe button and join the Neuro Profit AI family. Your side hustle journey starts now.